Oh my god, don't give me that look, narc. What, are you
Okay.
mad that I'm throwing this party tonight? Mom and Dad are a whole fucking week. We can do whatever we want. Here, come on, try some. You know it's good for your depression, right? Whoa, 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 it's kicking in. Saying.
Das ist der
I gotta text Jen and make sure she
Charaktereditor.
brings the.
What the fuck?
Oh shit, look, it's Mr. Pilfrey. He's got that, what's it called? Dementia.
What's going on out here? Martha, is that you? Oh my
Oh
god!
my god, what did they just do to Mr. Pilfrey?
Die rauchen den?
Try pressing anything, go nuts, smash 'em all. Is this your first fucking game? Fuck, all right, first kill. I am so glad you picked me up. Oh, let's head to that base.
Hallo?